Now that we have covered widgets, let's look into add-ons. Add-ons and widgets are very similar in that they extend the functionality of your Statamic website. Widgets can only be used on the dashboard. They are basically boxes that display information, but add-ons are way more powerful than that. They can extend the functionality of existing Statamic elements. For example, there are add-ons that extend the functionality of the BART field. There are also add-ons that automatically create responsive images and many, many more. Statamic's marketplace is a great place to find add-ons you might find useful, and you can either do it here in the browser or from the control panel. As with everything else, make sure that the add-on you are installing is maintained and works on the latest Statamic version, which at the time of recording is version 3. Let's install an existing add-on. I think this duplicator add-on is really interesting. This add-on will allow us to easily duplicate assets, collections, or taxonomy terms. Let's see our reviews and trees first. As you can see, when clicking on these 3 dots, we can view, edit, unpublish, and delete an entry. If we select multiple entries, the unpublish and delete options will also show up here. Let's install the add-on now by running composer require 33digital /duplicator. Give it a moment, and once installed, let's refresh our reviews and trees page. And now, when we click on these 3 dots, we also get the duplicate option. And if we select an entry or more, we get the option here in the top bar too. This could save us a lot of time when adding new reviews or books. Let's publish Duplicator's configuration file too, so that we can configure the functionality of the add-on. Now, inside config duplicator.php, we can override some default options. For example, let's say I don't want to immediately publish any duplicated entries. In this case, I'll set the value to false, and the entry will remain draft. We should also select some fields that should be ignored during the duplication process. And we could enable a fingerprint, which will create a new variable, isDuplicate, for each duplicated entry, term, or asset. I'll leave it as false for now. There are many add-ons you could install, so go ahead and browse through the Statamic marketplace. Have fun!